Right, so we're still trying to get Steve's Land Rover to run. It has run, but it's quite smoky. And if you look down there, you've got the injection pump there. And just down there by Steve's hand. Move your hand a second. There, by that nut there is the little pointer you can see there. So we move it round, and hopefully that will sort out the timing.
I'm sure there's a proper way of doing this.
Probably is. But,
in the book. I haven't read the book yet.
Okay, so we've now adjusted the injector pump with the pointer you can see in front of you there. The only problem you have really with this is the pointer's adjustable as well. So you're assuming it was in the right place to start with. We don't know that. So now Steve's just
there must be
tightening
part
up
of the
all the injectors.
instructions that tells you how to zero the pointer.
But we don't know.
I haven't looked that up yet.
It's not done that. It's not done that.
I didn't make instructions.
No, we don't use instructions. My starter motor's now fitted. Down there somewhere. I can't quite see it. But I know it's there. There it is.
Nicely coated in gunge.
It is quite coated in gunge. I can, yeah, that's
Give it a good clean.
true. Is you going to do it clean?
You're getting that back cleaner than you gave it to me.
Wow, thanks very much.
That's always a generous thing to do when someone lends you something, isn't it? To give it back in.
So in a minute
condition.
we'll be able to start this up and see how it sounds and how it smokes, possibly. Okay, it's start time. See, preheating the glow plugs now with our rather convenient battery charger booster thing.
Yeah, because it's turned short of meeting the terminal. This.
Ah.
They must be pretty warm by now. Starting mode.
There goes Steve. He's off. He's round the back.
Outside.
He's round the side.
It's got the ignition key.
There's no smoke yet.
No.
And the old brake cleaner's coming out.
Let's give it a little sniff to something, might help it along, I guess. Can't hear over all that
Sounds a
cranking.
bit more promising. Not quite.
Oh,
Battery still sounds a bit weak. Ah, that would help.
that might help.
Turn that injector pump on. Quite a lot of smoke. Well, the smoke has cleared. Smoke cleared. Good. Alright. Well, success, Steve. What do you think?
It's running, isn't it?
Right, looks sounds good.
Running.
It's not
Sounds all right,
smoking
isn't it?
outrageously either. It's nice.
Yeah, hopefully not, anyway.
Well, there you go, Brassic Classics. This is Steve's Land Rover, which I sold him, and I sold it to him, and it's caused him about 2 years of
2
hell.
years of grief, haven't we, with this, I think?
But he's there. He's
We're getting
there.
there. We are getting there.
Anyway,
I think we might have a fuel leak here.
don't worry about that. It's a Land Rover.
There's some fuel coming out around this injector.
That's just to keep everything nicely lubricated and rust free.
Yeah, that's the anti-corrosion system.
Anti-corrosion.
isn't
It's
it?
got it on every part that has any sort of liquid in it. Anyway, till next time. Bye-bye. Will it start?
About 10 seconds, isn't it?
No, go, go.
That's long enough?
Yeah, that's long enough. Bit of fuel.